Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of True Renunciation of Action, Chapter 5, Shloka number 22. The enjoyments that are born of contacts are only generators of pain, for they have a beginning and an end. O son of Kunti, the wise do not rejoice in them.
Chapter 5, Shloka 22. Ye hi samsparshaja bhogaha dukkahyo naya evate adyantavanta kaunteya nate shuramate buddha.
Chapter 5, Shloka number 22. If we want to discover the peace, then the sense organs have to be controlled. Lord gives us more reasons why it is necessary to control the senses. Infinite bliss is the nature of the self, and it can be contacted only beyond the 5 sheaths in the cave of our heart, but our sense organs on our body face outward and are like counters to contact the world of object and beings. It is everybody's experience that joy hunting amongst the sense objects is not a profitable preoccupation, as enjoyments that are born of contacts with the sense objects are only generators of pain, as they have a beginning and an end. For example, the joy from the first sweet is much more than the subsequent sweets, and the same sweet after a time can cause sorrow. Lord points out that the wise do not rejoice in them, because that which gives a little joy in the beginning soon becomes a cause of sorrow. Man, if he is wise, is only satisfied with the infinite, for it is same always and doesn't change, compared to the finite joys, which are temporary and subject to the law of diminishing returns. The finite joys exhaust us because we are hunting for them amongst limitations, all subject to time, place, and circumstances, and hence changing. The diviner joy is gained only when we come to experience the self, which gives complete satisfaction, as explained in the previous shloka. Learn more in the next shloka in the next week. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.